Hey YouTube, here with another build. This one's a little unusual. I don't post all the builds, but this one is worth posting. You ain't gonna believe what I'm about to show you. First of all, just got this car today. Don't know if it runs. Found a boat, that's a good thing. I've been looking for the boats. Don't know if it runs, sorry. Don't know if it runs. Well, let me just show you. That way you could see it for yourself. First of all, it has no wheel. Everything for the wheel has been cut and removed. Found the wheel in the back of the seat. I'm in the process of removing it right now. Let me show you the other side. Oh, it came off. That's good. So, this is it. Grab this stuff. Yeah, so axle is completely gone. The wire is cut here. Wire's cut here. That should be an easy replace. Let's see. I don't know what goes here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look on the other car. It's missing stuff everywhere. Okay, so the plan is today to get this, at least the tire on. It might not function, but at least get the tire on so it don't look so bad in my neighborhood. This is the inside. Now, mind you, something right here. Mind you, everything is loose. Everything's been tampered with. I thought this was reusable, but I guess not. I clean all this out today too. Yeah, they loosened up everything. Let me show you the back. And fender is pushed out. A lot of this damage probably could have been probably from the accident. Matter of fact, I'm sure it was an accident. Some of the damage is from the front end being on the ground and dragged. Accident is weird because it's not on the door. It's not nowhere but right where the tire is, like somebody did it on purpose. Back seat. Don't look like they mess with the back seat that much. The front seat is loose. So they took the bolts from there too for some reason. I don't think this is open. This ain't open yet. Gotta get some power on here. This side don't look like it's been tempered. Just look like it's been sitting in the open for some reason. Yeah, this is loose too. They took some stuff from the top on this one. These are the miles on the car. And then you have this. It's all been taken apart. This all taken apart. Stuff. Some of the screws are here, luckily. get. All this dash taken apart, missing some of the parts. Airbag, just missing the screws, it looked like. I wonder if this say DUI, but I don't think so. Then you get to the motor. The motor don't seem like it has any engine mounts on it. Coils are gone. The hose for the what's your name is gone. Oh, that's another thing that I think is missing is I didn't see any OBD on here at all. So I don't know where it is on this car, but I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, right there, it's there. Back there in the back, okay. Well, you two pray for me. This is gonna be, I'm gonna film. Subscribe, please, to help me with this build. The more people I can get to watch this, the more you know how it works. So I'm not gonna bore you with that. Just tune in, because we're gonna get this going. Next video, I'm gonna get this wheel on. That's gonna be my next one. All right, y'all, thanks.